Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to remove an object or person in Affinity by Canva. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the photo that you want to modify. Now here as you can see, I have this photo, and now I will remove this online marketing word. So I'm gonna click on the pixel on the top left side first. Then I'm gonna go here and click on in painting brush tool, right click here, then go and choose in painting brush tool. If you cannot find it, you can click on these customize tools, then search for the in painting brush tool like this. Now after choosing it, you want to go and select the photo like this from the right side. Then you want to use the brush tool in order to remove this sentence right here. You want to do it again like this. And you're all done. Just like so. It will remove it by recognizing the background itself first. Now let me show you if you want to remove a person from your photo. I'm gonna go again and click on file, then go and click on open. Then I'm gonna choose the photo that I want to remove the person from. Then I'm gonna go back to pixel, then go and click on in painting brush tool. Then I'm gonna select the photo from the right side. Then I'm gonna highlight the person like so. And here we go. This is how you remove a person from your photo. Now, let's say that I want to remove this watermark also. You can just highlight it like so, and it will be removed. If you want to go back, you can click on Ctrl plus C. And if you want to save, you want to go and click on Ctrl plus S. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.